Are you responsible for leading change within your organization? The Avaap Change Academy is here to help. Leveraging our experience to guide you on your journey, our instructors will teach you how to build and implement successful change strategies for changes of any size. The Avaap Change and Practice Workshop creates an environment where participants engage with each other through active discussions to learn to use more than 10 tested and proven change tools to begin developing comprehensive change management plans for their own real-life projects. Our change approach and tools help you to do everything from create successful people experience campaigns, align leadership on change, build change plans based on the scope and size of the change, and develop sustainment actions to use throughout deployment. Visit our Change Academy page on avaap.com or email us at changeacademy@avaap.com to learn more.